Hi everyone, this is the video for class 10 student. Today we are learning about network topology. Topology defines the geographic, physical or logical arrangement of computer networking devices. The term topology refers to the way in which the various nodes or computers of a network are linked together. It describes the actual layout of the computer network hardware. The different topologies are as follows. First is bus topology. In bus topology, there is a central cable which joins all the computers in the system. The cable is known as the backbone of the network. It transmits data only in one direction. One of the computers in the network typically acts as a computer server that provides data to all the clients. This topology is used in small networks where cable requirements is relatively small. The main disadvantage of bus topology is that if the main cable fails, the entire network becomes unstable. For this reason, this type of topology is not used for large networks, such as those covering an entire building. Bus topology is also known as linear topology. Next topology is star topology. In this type of network, each device is connected to a central computer that is called server using a point-to-point connection. The central server acts as a hub. Every computer can communicate across the network through the central computer. Star topology is popular because of its low startup cost. It is very easy to add a new device to the network as only one cable is required and configuration is simple. Moreover, the network is robust. If any one connection in the network fails, the other connection remains intact. But if the central hub fails, the entire network goes down. Next topology is ring topology. In a ring topology, all the nodes in the network are connected in a circular manner. Each node connects to exactly two other net nodes, forming a single continuous pathway of signals. When one node sends a message to the other nodes, which is not adjacent to it, data travels through all the intermediate nodes until it reaches its final destination. Ring topology are used in both LAN and WAN setups. The main disadvantage of this topology is that if one workstation goes down, the entire network gets affected. Since data being transferred over the network has to pass through each workstation, this makes it slower than a star topology. Next topology is mesh topology. In mesh topology, each node is connected to every other node in the network. In this topology, every node not only sends its own signals but also relay data from other nodes. This type of topology can handle a large volume of traffic. It is commonly used in wireless networks. In case if one of the components fails, there is always an alternative present so that the data transfer does not get affected. Even expansion and modification can be done in this topology without affecting other nodes. The overall cost of this topology is extremely high as compared to other network topologies. Next topology is tree topology. Tree topology is one of the most common network setup that consists of a group of star-figured workstations connected to a linear bus backbone cable. In tree topologies, one star network is connected to the other star networks. In a tree network, a cable failure is one of the star network isolates only the workstation that is linked to the central computer of the star network, where all the other workstations will continue to the function normally. If a central computer goes down, the entire workstation connected to it suffer with either degraded performance or complete failure, but the rest of the network will continue to function normally. In the tree topology, expansion of network is easy, but maintenance becomes difficult. Next topology is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a combination of two or more network topologies. The individual networks could be a star, ring, bus, or even mesh. But the star and ring topologies are used most often in a hybrid model. Since the existing network can be combined together by adding the necessary hardware, so it makes hybrid technology easy to implement, maintain as well as scale up. Thank you.